How to start a cosmetics, perfumery, flavors and essential oils business in India. When someone applies a cream or lights a diffuser, they're not just using a product, they're having an experience. Behind that experience lies a powerful business opportunity, one that could be yours. India's beauty and wellness market is booming, from cosmetics and perfumes to essential oils and food flavors. The best part? You don't need crores or a massive factory. With the right knowledge and smart planning, you can launch from a small space, even your home. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Choose what to make. Pick your category. Cosmetics, creams, lotions, lip balms, perfume compounds, for incense, soaps, sprays, flavors, for food and beverages, essential oils, lavender, eucalyptus, rose, etc. Choose what aligns with your interest and local demand. Step 2. Learn the basics. Understand how your products are made, ingredients, blending techniques, hygiene, safety, and shelf life. Learn through online courses, offline workshops, or by working with an expert. Step 3. Setup and equipment. You can start in 500 to 1000 SQ feet. Basic equipment may include mixers, heating vessels, distillation units for oils, filling and capping machines. Begin small. Expand as you grow. Step 4. Raw materials. Buy high-quality ingredients like oils, emulsifiers, and preservatives for cosmetics, aroma chemicals and solvents for perfumes, extracts and spice oils for flavors, fresh herbs and flowers for essential oils. Buy from trusted suppliers to ensure quality. Step 5. Get licenses. Compliance is key. You may need GST registration, MSME, Udyam certificate, drug and cosmetics license, FSSAI license for flavors, trademark and factory license if scaling up. Consult a legal expert to help with documentation. Step 6. Branding and packaging. Invest in clean, attractive packaging. Mention ingredients, expiry date, usage tips, and your logo. Good packaging builds trust and boosts repeat sales. Market and profits. The Indian wellness sector is worth over 1 lakh rupees crore. Popular trends include herbal cosmetics, essential oils, and natural flavors. Expected earnings. Times cosmetics unit, 30,000 rupees to 80,000 rupees per month. Times essential oils, 1-2 lakh month. Times perfumes and flavors, up to 70% profit margins. Common challenges and quick tips. Maintain consistent quality. Build a strong brand story. Store products properly. Get all legal approvals early. Start with samples to earn trust. NPCS, your business partner. At Niir Project Consultancy Services, we help you launch with detailed project reports, machinery and cost breakdown, legal and marketing support, export guidance. Thousands have started with us. You can too. This industry is incredibly diverse, offering something for everyone. Whether you're passionate about natural products, want to promote Indian herbs, or aim to build a high-profit business, cosmetics, perfumes, flavors, and oils provide immense opportunity. Start small. Focus on quality. Build a brand people trust. If you want assistance with project reports, don't hesitate to reach out to us by telephone or email, coordinates in description. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable business lessons.